Did she really turn up to the red carpet looking like this? Yes, I did. So get ready with me to go to the London premiere of Beetlejuice with NYX Cosmetics.
Let's look at the prosthetics I'm going to be wearing today. These prosthetics are from Cast Effects. Honestly, shout out to you lots, yeah. Because I'm gonna look fly as f today. Okay, I don't think it's gonna feel real until I'm actually on the red carpet. Me, Paige Cole, is being invited by NYX. Can you actually believe it? Like, and honestly, thank you to everyone that has been watching my videos, supporting my craft. Like, honestly, it means the world to me because, you know, it's not easy. As some of you guys know, I am a working professional makeup artist. Contrary to popular belief, I do have a job. Like, this young girl from South London that used to... Listen, guys, I used to work doing night shifts to afford a makeup kit. Guys. And fast forward, here we are now, getting ready for the red carpet for Beetlejuice. I don't think a lot of people realise that I have only been doing prosthetics makeup for 2 years. Honestly, what's even crazier for me is everything I've been able to achieve within those 2 years of doing prosthetics makeup. Like, last year, I got to assist the makeup artist for the original 1988 Beetlejuice V-Nil on recreating Beetlejuice's makeup. Period. And not even just that, I am the first ever black person to be an educator at the prosthetics event. Honestly, it's just crazy to see my growth as just an artist. I feel super grateful to just have all the support and love and people that genuinely believe in what I do. Do you know what I mean? Okay, this is the finished look, guys. Honestly, I'm in a rush. Look at these nails that my friend Dorinda made me. I'm gonna put these on later and I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup in the car, but hope you guys love it. I'll see you guys later, bye. I am on my way home. The movie was absolutely incredible. The hair, the makeup, costume, absolutely killed it.